Hi, little artists! Are you ready for a fun drawing adventure? Today, we're going to draw a super cool ladder. Let's get started! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Alright, grab your black marker. First, we're going to draw two long, vertical lines. These are the main bars of our ladder. Try to keep them straight. Now, let's add some steps to our ladder. Draw 5 horizontal lines across the bars, nice and even. These are the steps we use to climb up and down the ladder. Great job! Now, let's make sure our ladder is nice and stable by drawing 2 supporting stands.
La da 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 dee.
Just 2 vertical lines, one on each side, to keep our ladder steady. Our ladder looks awesome. But to make it really stand out, let's go over the outline again, making it bold and sharp. Wow, doesn't that make the ladder look amazing? Fantastic job with the drawing, little artist. Now it's time to add some colors and make it pop. Let's grab our color pens. We're going to use lots of fun colors today. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Orange color. Yellow color. Sea green color.
Yay!
Purple color. Look at that colorful ladder. You did an amazing job. Thanks for drawing and coloring with me today. Remember, keep practicing and keep creating. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.